Namaskara. I'm Parimala Jaggesh, the founder and director of Alami Rap Nutrition. Work from home, lockdown, the stress levels have shot up so much that unknowingly there is a lot of sugar cravings which is cropping up. Yes, we seem to reach out for sugar laden foods, and even though you might have an energy boost for just a short while, the crash is going to be so bad that you're left again craving for more. So, what do we do? How do we come out of this? A easy step would be to create very simple recipes where you can control the amount of sweetness that goes into it. So today I'm showing such a recipe with just 5 ingredients. Let's check it out. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೆಸಿಪಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Yes, the recipe, the sweet we are doing today is made with ripe bananas. And before you ask, does bananas make us put weight? Definitely not. Anytime for weight loss or for weight gain, it is a wholesome package. It is not just one single fruit or one ingredient which can make you gain weight or lose weight. So add this sweet in a balanced diet for the entire day and nothing will happen. You can give it to kids. You control what is going into this. So let's check out the recipe. Banana dumpling. Yes, this is the recipe we are going to do today and the ingredients list is given there for you. I have taken 2 overripe bananas which are almost black, and this provides extreme sweetness in the fruit, natural sweetness. So I'm just mashing up 2 bananas really well and adding 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder to it. For a dash of extra crunchiness, I'm adding in a tablespoon of coconut pieces and 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. I'm also adding in a pinch of cardamom powder and mixing up the entire thing. I'm not adding any water. I'm just mixing it initially and then at the end, I'm just adding in 1 tablespoon of water. You don't have to ferment this. We can instantly prepare our recipe with this mixture. So I've just taken 1 tablespoon of oil, and the speciality of this is we are going to sprinkle water and steam our dumplings. So I'm just filling it to 3/4 of the pan size and adding in a dash of water to it and leaving it closed for around 2 to 3 minutes till it starts browning and you get a lovely fragrance. After a couple of minutes, I am flipping over the pancakes and yes, you can see a lovely golden brown already being formed on it. It is such a healthy version of the recipe. Children will love it and you can prepare this within just 5 minutes and just 5 ingredients. How awesome is that? If you want, you can add a pinch of baking soda. I have not added it, but yes, it is still soft and fluffy and tasty. Your banana dumpling is ready. Extremely easy recipe, right? So try it out, let me know how it was, and keep watching for my next video where lot of mothers are complaining their children are not eating vegetables. So let's come up with a simple plan to make our children's diet a little more nutritious and healthy. Okay? Thank you.